The perfect large image no-hole hot bean practice tutorial is here. The principle of no-hole large board hot pressing will also be explained. First, to avoid the melting of edge beans. When we finish splicing the image, we must place mixed beans at the position between two grids. Then to avoid these lint appearing on the product, pick a tape you like or can easily find. Since the mirrored drawing was chosen earlier, after flipping at this step, the hand is effectively the front side now. Directly pressing the board will cause the board to deform and bulge. It will cause the beans that are already stuck together and the beans that are not stuck to separate, causing a complete failure that cannot be saved. Also, many bean boards now have extended nails, directly. After the beans all melt to the side, it will be more difficult or fail to iron without holes later. One advantage of using tape is that after flipping it over, you can directly use a brush to sweep away the lint on top, so it won't have the fluff issue shown in the finished product earlier. If you iron directly on the bean board, the fluff at this step cannot be removed. Add some mixed beans here, because the image is too large and there is no space. Up to here is the step of sweeping fluff. The baking cloth also needs to be passed over with a lint roller or brush once to keep the finished product clean. Okay, zoom out. Start preparing to heat press the beans. Heat press machine at 150 degrees for 15 seconds once. Move it flat close to the position you want to press now. This is the key to pressing without holes. Change position after each countdown ends to avoid overheating the base causing pimples. Still move the heat press machine to the position to be pressed. And the position you want to press must be placed at the highest temperature area in the middle of the heat press machine. The temperature at the edges is relatively low, so the edges that have been pressed are not heated enough. Every part of the whole image must be pressed using the middle area to be completely safe. Applying pressure while ironing each time can greatly reduce the ironing time. You must try it. When the beans almost stick to the baking cloth, move over it once more. Do not use force when moving the heat press machine, to avoid the beans. After going through this once, tear off the tape. It's mission. Take a closer look. The condition is good. Continue ironing. The precautions for ironing the back are the same as the front, so I won't cut them in. Just keep repeating changing position to iron, shifting, applying pressure. Remember to always iron in the middle of the heat press machine each time. At the later stage, use a flashlight to shine light and see where there are holes. For parts with holes, focus on applying pressure with the middle part of the heat press machine and then press, even for such small outward extending parts. Never ignore these small parts, thinking the edges of the heat press machine can handle it. Big no, special no. Finally, check both front and back against the light for any holes that let light through. If there is no problem, then no more pressing is needed. Look closely. Some of the mixed beans have already melted, so you can prepare more mixed beans to use when ironing beans. Follow this tutorial and practice. Basically you can achieve, and it will also be very clean without lint. Simply a blessing for OCD. Okay. To finish. Wow, after mastering the holeless ironing bean technique, I really love piecing together these big images. You guys should try it too. Bye bye.